They say, oh my God, I see the way you shine.
Assalamualaikum and good morning to all. My name is Najiha Bin Saaid. So today I will tell you about our N95 VELCRO strap mask. Because of this, haze is coming every year to the Malaysia. So we need this type of mask to protect our respiratory system, so we can have a healthy condition of body every year. According to article news by KKM on 23 September 2019, there are 3 main respiratory diseases that have occurred to Malaysian citizens because of this haze occurrence that come in Malaysia every year. That is asthma, conjunctivitis, and OT. OT is upper respiratory tract infection. So, according to the statistic, the asthma have increased with 3.5% from 122 cases to 1265 cases. Conjunctivitis increased also with 91.4% from 266 to 403 cases. OT also, however, OT have decreased in the statistic with 9.6% from 7,465 cases to 8,258 cases. Because of that all the respiratory diseases have increased in Malaysia, so our hospital always keep coming the patient with the respiratory because of the haze. So we need to wear the mask all the time. Haze also cause the air pollution to the Malaysia citizen. The air pollution actually give more disease to patient and to our citizen. So our VELCRO strap mask have this type of strap that is different from other type of VELCRO strap mask. Other type of VELCRO strap mask that have stretchable mask that can give you uncomfortable feeling when you wear it, especially for hijabis. If hijabis wear the mask, we need to always protect our hijab from we always stay on and pretty. So if we got this type of mask with VELCRO strap, we can just open and it make it easier for them to wear and to open the strap at the back of their head. So also as this mask is adjustable, and it has a standard size that all type of age can wear it, especially children, older people, and also maybe construction workers. So not only time at the haze they can use this type of mask, but also at the normal time. Thank you.
Okay, next I will explain about the problem statement and objectives. So for the problem statement, a normal N95 mask only use rubber band that is uncomfortable for everyone, especially hijabis women and construction workers. So like us hijabis women, it is hard for us to wear the mask because of the rubber. The rubber it is not adjustable, so it can cause uncomfortable to us because it can damage our scalp and give pressure to our head. Same goes to the construction workers, which because they have a big head, so and they work in such a long period, so I think it can cause uncomfortable to them, since it can give pressure to them if they wear it for a long time. Okay, then for the objective, it is to make the N95 mask more easier to wear by hijabis and construction workers, like what I said. Because of the mask, it is not adjustable and it is from rubber, thermoplastic elastomers, so it can give pressure to our head. Like it is an inallergic material, but if we wear it for a long time, it can cause rashes and pressure to our head. Okay, then the next one is to accommodate with the need of hijabis to be comfortable while wearing the mask. So like what I said before, we hijabis women, we wear the mask during the haze, and then when we wear the normal N95 mask, it can damage our hijab. So if we wear the mask, it can be adjustable according to our size of head. So I think VELCRO strap mask is important for hijabis women and to all the construction workers. And maybe it can be marketed to the people so that they can buy and use the mask during the haze. That's all from me. Thank you.
Next, I will explain about the usefulness of this VELCRO strap mask N95, which is the first one. We want to maximize the comfortable feeling while using the VELCRO strap mask. So, like I mentioned in the novelty, I will mention in the novelty. Our main reason why we innovate this mask is to produce this product is to let the people feel comfortable when using the N95 mask. So the main reason is we want to feel the comfortable. So second, because of the VELCRO strap, the wearers can easily take off the mask when they did not want to use it and can wear it easily when they want to wear it back. This mask, this strap is being used at the we can get at the curtains of the windows at our house. So the strap is divided into two, which is one at the right and the one at the left side. Okay, this strap is mainly focused on the hijabis woman to be more stylish and have a variety of colors. This is also the reason why we produce to innovate this product. For those who wear hijab, this product allows the hijabis woman to feel more comfortable when they wear the VELCRO strap mask. So we can, for example, Sarah. Okay, so can you wear it? Okay. So, okay, this is how we wear it. Okay, you just strap it here, so that do you feel so tight?
No, I feel comfortable.
Okay, so see, we innovate a mask that we feel so comfortable when she wear it. This is for the hijabis, but we have we cannot strap this mask for the silk curtains. Okay, so most of them, which is the hijabis, are attracted to variety of colors. So we also produce a lot of colors, which is I bring it just two, which is the orange and the pink one. So let's move to the novelty. So VELCRO strap mask is the first of its kind. No similar mask has been developed or available in the market. The VELCRO strap mask is adjustable, so it can be used by everyone at all age, for small, for kids and olders. Thank you.
Okay, in addition, our product have commercialization potential. Why? Because our product can be introduced to a market as new innovation product. This is because before this, there are no company that make the N95 mask that use VELCRO strap. Okay, so our product only give a new look to older N95 mask, which is we change the strap, which is rubber strap that can make the skin readiness and painful. Okay, so we change it to a VELCRO strap. Next, our product is very adjustable. This is because the older mask, which is rubber strap, very hard to stretch. So the user will have hard time to wear it. And next, our product also come with standard size. Before we do our product, we measure the people who have big size. So for the small size, they do not have to worry because it can be adjustable, and then it also available in many colors that can attract people. Okay, for in future, we decide to make the VELCRO strap, which is cartoon strap, to attract kids and people who love cartoon. Okay, so as a conclusion, we hope that our product can be accepted and meet the customer satisfaction, and can reduce the disease that relate to respiratory system, for example asthma, short of breath, and many more. Okay, so we already take part in International Invention Creation Exhibition IICE 2019. So we got a bronze medal, and we hope our product can be commercialized in the future. Thank you.
They say, oh my God, I see the way you shine. Take your hand, my dear, and place them both in mine. You know you stopped me dead while I was passing by, and now I beg to see you dance just one more time. Ooh, I see you every time. And oh my, I like your style. You make me wanna cry.
Thank you, sir. Sir, say something, sir.
Right, thank you so much for having this breakfast, and I hope that we can establish our relationship even though after you have graduated from UiTM.
Amin ya